Can the crew please take your seat to take off?
Welcome to our channel.
Yes, Fernando?
Yes. We've been away for a while. Life just got too hectic. There is a ton of videos need to come out for this channel and for all the other channels, all the other two channels. So just a matter of time before I get stuck into the series editing and catch up with some good videos, including the battery project, the lithium iron phosphate battery project, the completion of that. So that's coming up for this channel. Thanks for staying tuned.
Okay, bismillah.
Okay, so measuring the height on this end. Down. Bring the video upside. We're at 55.5 on this side here. We move to the opposite side. So we just close the van here. Open this side. This side we're at 55.9. Over there, 55.9. Let's double check. So we're going back this way. There we go. 55.3. And no, it's actually higher this end. 56. It's on 56 actually. This is the higher side.
Alright, and the next thing you must make sure that the cam is in the center of that mark there. There are two nuts on the shaft. Just make sure you have the right correct nut. Okay.
Taking it like this, bring it back here. This is the marker on the shaft at the bottom, underneath, and here's your mark on the plastic. Here's your grub mark over there on the shaft.
But no, there are two screws. You turn it slightly, another nut on the other side, so it's like a V.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And the factory position, which is correct position. Mark over here on the shaft in line with this plastic and that grub screw. So on the reassembly, you line up these marks all together.